Hi, how are you? Today you can see the different types of emotions I'm just drawing right now. If you search the Google, and you can find for emoji drawing for the chatting and other purposes. When you use the apps and the chatting softwares, you can see the messengers, the WhatsApp, or in other fields. There are lots of emojis which are used to express the emotions and other stuff. So this is a very popular drawing. This is a new trend. People are used to show their emotions. Everybody likes it. That's why this is a different drawing area, and we would like to introduce it for you so that no items you have to miss. You can learn all types of items, and you can have experience with different types of drawing sets, drawing styles. All right. This is the eye I'm drawing right now, and make a bold outline around the smaller circles. Then again another bigger one I'm going to draw. This is going to be bold. Let's make a thicker line. All right. Let's draw another small circle here, and around the small circle let's draw a bigger one. Okay. Finally, we are going for the biggest one, which is around the previous two circles. Now we are going to make the lines little bold to show a clear difference from the surroundings. Then we are going to fill up the inside. Let's put a line here, looks like this, a bold line, and another line here. All right. So when you follow the instructions, you have to follow the step by step, the procedures which is coming before and which is coming after. And you know all the steps as we're following. So this style, it's making the drawing easier. So exactly you can learn the designs and the steps as you know we are following, then the drawing is going to be very nice too. All right, let's fill up some parts with the drawing pencils and make the places darker one. So this is inside the mouth, and this is going to be darker one. Also this is going to be the darker one. That's why we are filling up with the dark pencils the whole body inside it. And another eyebrow we're going to draw. All right. Okay. Now let's put some ash colors for the hands here. This is making a variations from the surroundings and making a clear differentiation, as you can see from the drawing I'm just drawing right now. All right. Now we are going to put the blue shade inside the eyeball. and a red shade here. Let's put the shade. So the yellow color is going to be around it. Let's put the color. As you know, when we put the color, we try to put the uniform shades all over the circle inside as good as possible. So this is a very nice emotions you can see right now. Actually I like it very much and I can enjoy drawing it because it's really looking good. Okay, so the drawing looks nice. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can follow the playlist for different types of categories and you can select your own style or own choices from which category you want to start learning. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icons on to have all the new updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.